Okie dokie, a little update on the Cobra 132 XLR that had the protective film across the front. I spent not even a couple of hours, maybe an hour and 15 on it. I've not gone to town, I've just spammed her up. Look at that. Absolutely thrilled to bits. It's got issues, it doesn't transmit, it doesn't receive, but that's nothing, that's by the by. I've given her a little sprucing up. Let's have a look here. Touched in the old paint on the knobs and that. Clean behind there. Had the front off. Oh, she's beautiful. See, 48 years old, 1977. I've not done any polishing to the chrome. And I've not done the cases yet because I've been a bit busy at work, but look at that, that's gorgeous, that is. This one came with, which microphone was it, this one? No. Which microphone? Oh, it came with this microphone, which works absolutely beautiful. I've been using it on the LT, on the Grant. And... oh no, yeah, it came with that one, yeah. And this is the one that came with the Grant Diesel 410. Another great noise cancelling microphone. So, like a bloody party here. I've got a couple of beers going. Throat's not as bad as it was yesterday, the voice is working. And so it's happy days. CB radio time. I hope everyone enjoys their radios as much as I enjoy mine. I've got the others to come through. And I've got another 3 coming from the States, and I've got some tubes coming, some 6KD6s, brand new. But they'll be a while. Well, they won't be that long, because a decent company are bringing them. DHL's shipping them out, and they'll be here pretty soon. But this will keep me going. Look at them shiny knobs. 1977. So it's Toshiba built. On behalf of Cobra Dynascan Corporation. Same as this beautiful beast. Oh my God, that's when quality didn't matter because they were selling so many CB radios. They got the Wonga. And then they started to cut down and get cheaper and cheaper. The radio stayed alright for a good while, so. And the old flip clock. Right, I want to put a green LED into this. If every 4 times they tried to find me, can they fuck? Useless company. I won't use them. That's what I said to Paul about when he said he uses every because they're only like £4.50 to get this delivered. I said it might never turn up. So we went for the 20 quid option, tracked, signed for. Next day before 1 PM, I think it was. And boy did this boy pack this thing. You could have thrown it off a cliff, it wouldn't have got damaged. Anyway, I'm going to cut one loose now again, cut loose. And drink a couple more beers and catch this late night skip that's going on. There she is, Cobra 132 XLR. I'll do the cases soon, but I just couldn't believe it. How these turned out. Almost as good as the day it left the factory. And I reckon the guy, bless him, who originally owned this, very likely pushing up the daisies now, as we all soon will be. I bet he'd be fucking thrilled to bits to see that. Absolutely thrilled to bits, 48 years on. Alright, I'm going. See yous later.